Hello guys, welcome back to my video. After getting an immense response on my last video, so here comes the part 2 of the vocabulary. So let's get started. Cultural diversity, variety of cultures. For example, you can see India, which has multiple cultures living over here. Social norms, the way person is behaving in the society. Equality, giving equal rights to everyone. Secularism, giving equal rights to all the religions. Generation gap, difference between the age groups. Community bonding, a strong social relationship. Crime, an illegal activity. Offense, a violation of law. Law enforcement, police or authorities who enforce laws. Trial, the legal examination in court. Investigation, the process of finding the facts. Sentence, the punishment given by the court. Deterrent, something that prevents the crime. Rehabilitation, something that helps criminals reform. Jury, the group of judges. Justice system, the legal system of the law and the court. Technological advancements, progress of the technology. Artificial intelligence, machines stimulating human intelligence. Automation, the things being done along with the machines rather than human. Digital literacy, the ability to know the machines and technology. Cyber security, the process of securing the data online. Data privacy, safeguarding the personal information. Online dependency, excessive relying on the technology. Virtual communication, connecting with each other online. Mental well-being, being emotionally and psychologically fit. Sedentary lifestyle, little physical activity. Preventive care, steps taken to avoid illness. Balanced diet, proper nutrition intake. Chronic disease, long-term illness. Healthcare system, the system that has been provided by the authorities to take care of the public. Stress management, the way to reduce stress. Public health, health of the population. Thanks for watching. Please mention below which is the word that you found the best out of all. And if you want more such videos, do let us know.